Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure power-saving features won't steal focus. Open Settings and go straight to Display or Battery. Once there, set Screen Timeout to the longest option or never if available, and disable adaptive or automatic battery optimizations for your video app. Make sure the video app has permission to run in background, otherwise the system may suspend it. If you're on Android, find apps right arrow your player, right arrow battery, and allow background activity. This gets you ready for the next steps. Now prevent the lock from interrupting playback. If available, enable Keep Screen on either in the app's playback settings or in your developer options. Once done, the display stays active during video. Make sure background play or picture-in-picture is allowed by the app so it won't pause when you switch apps. Turn on full screen and disable Rotate Lock if that interferes. Finally, block pop-up overlays that can dim or turn off the screen unexpectedly. These can trigger the system to sleep. Finish by testing a short video for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm the display stays active. If the screen still turns off, restart the device and revisit battery optimization. Exclude the player and related services. Make sure OS updates aren't reverting settings. As a last resort, install a reputable Keep Awake utility and grant it the necessary permissions. It forces the display to remain on. If things go wrong, recheck permissions and power-saving toggles, because those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.